Windows 11 is as stable as operating systems get, but it does have its fair share of bugs. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about the critical processes died error in Windows 11. Now, issues like critical processes dying in Windows 11 can often happen because of a number of reasons. The first step in fixing them is to updating your PC, because more often than not, Windows developers will already provide a fix if it's a large-scale problem. Now, to do that, what we have to do is press Windows key plus I to open Windows settings, and then just click on the Windows Update section. As you can see, I already have 2 Windows updates available, but in case you don't see it, you will see a check for updates button where I see download and install all. Just click on it. Windows will look for any updates if possible and then install them automatically, and that should get your error fixed. If that doesn't happen, the next step that you have to do is to run an SFC scan. How do we do that? So press Windows key plus X to open the utility menu, and in here click on Terminal Admin. It will ask for some permissions, so we'll provide it that. And now we have our Windows PowerShell menu open. So in here, what we're going to do is we're going to enter the SFC commands, which is sfc/scan now. We'll let this run and wait for it to find any problems. So as you can see, Windows Resource Protection did find some corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them. So now to fix that, we'll run the dism command, which is dism/online/cleanup-image-restore health. Press enter and let the dism command run, and that should fix your problem. Another thing you can do to fix this issue is to run the checkdisk command to check your drive for any bad sectors or anything of the sort. Now to do that, press Windows key plus X to open the quick access menu, and in here head over to the Terminal Admin. Give it the permissions that it needs, and here we are. Now in here I'm going to type in the chkdsk checkdisk command, then my Windows drive, which is C, or if you have your program or your software that's experiencing the issue plays on another drive, then you can put that here. Then I'm going to type in /f/r and /x. Now run this command, let it figure out any issues on your drive, fix them, and then try running your program again. If you've made it this far in the video and your issue still hasn't been solved, now it's time to perform a clean boot. Now there are certain ways or certain steps you need to follow before that. So press the Windows key to open the search menu and search for system configuration. You'll see it right here. Press system configuration to open up the file, and now in here head over to services. Check this box that says hide all Microsoft services, so we only see non-essential services that are running. And then go ahead and click on the disable all button to stop all of them from running. Then head to startup and click on the open task manager icon. This will open up the task manager, and now we are going to head over to the startup apps section. In here, check all the enabled apps and disable them either using right click and disable or using the disable button. Once all of this has been disabled, restart your PC and then check if you're still experiencing the issue. If you are, then we're going to go on to the next step, which is essentially restoring our computer to a previous restore point. But if you don't experience the issue, you can try enabling these services one by one until you find the service that was causing the problem. Finally, if nothing else works, your best bet is to do a system restore. Now this is assuming your system automatically had created a restore point, or if you had a restore point before it all went wrong. So to do that, we'll just open the start menu and search for system restore, or essentially recovery, which is right here. Click on this, it will launch the recovery drive, and then we are going to click on open system restore from here. Now this will start open a wizard which can recover all of your files, so we'll go ahead and click next. And as you can see, I have an automatic restore point that was made yesterday. So we'll go ahead and click next. And then it will restore our drive to how it was on the last system restore point. When you click finish, your system will restart and all of these changes will be applied. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.